Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need. Start now by confirming battery above 50% and a stable Wi-Fi connection so downloads don't fail. Back up your current home screen and wallpaper using settings right arrow backup because themes can change layouts. Next, open the Themes app and sign in with your My account. This gives you access to saved themes and purchases. Once signed in, you'll land on the Home tab. That's where you begin browsing. Make sure to allow any permission prompts to continue. Now you'll find the look you want. Use search or categories to narrow options and filter for free or paid themes. Tap any theme to preview how home icons, lock screen, fonts, and wallpapers will appear. This step avoids surprises. When you find one, tap download and review the size and permissions. Large packs can be 100 plus MB. Once downloaded, choose preview again, then select apply if satisfied. Make sure to wait until the apply process finishes to avoid partial changes. Apply the theme and inspect each screen. If icons look off or the UI lags, reboot the phone first. That often resolves render issues. After rebooting, go to Themes right arrow Customize to tweak icons, font size, or individual wallpapers without changing the whole theme. If something still behaves incorrectly, clear the Themes app cache in Settings right arrow Apps, then reapply the theme. If problems continue, restore your backup you made at the start. That recovers your prior layout quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.